Hey guys, it's Taryn here, and I just wanted you guys to see my outfit. It's very, I would say this is more summer because the spring is a little chilly, but we have the nice little slit here, nice little sexy slit. The shoulders are out, as you can see. We're ready for the hot vibes. With this outfit, I would definitely, because I'm expecting to wear this outfit when it's hot, I would definitely use my tea face mist to set my makeup and to freshen it up throughout the day, because I'm expecting to sweat and to just get the summer vibes just on my face. So I definitely want to stay fresh with the mist spray right here. And then of course, because this is the black and the color of it, I would definitely do a smoky eye with it. So with a smoky eye, I would definitely go in with my Ninja pencil to give me that, to put it under on my eye, my waterline, and then to probably smoke out my crease up there. And I would definitely, of course, finish it off with my mascara to fluff my eyelashes up and to bring the look all together.